Comet Rocks is a tool that's been gaining traction in the software market, and if you're thinking about buying it, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone looking to optimize their workflow, understanding how Comet Rocks stacks up against other software in the market is crucial. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also reveal how you can try Comet Rocks for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. First off, Comet Rocks is an all-in-one solution designed to streamline your business operations. The platform's core offering includes everything from project management and task tracking to CRM and invoicing. But what really sets it apart from competitors like Monday.com or Asana is its ability to consolidate various business functions into a single interface. So, rather than jumping between multiple tools, you can manage almost every aspect of your business from one dashboard. Next thing you need to know is how user-friendly Comet Rocks is. Unlike some other platforms that can overwhelm you with complex menus and endless settings, Comet Rocks offers a simple, intuitive layout. The learning curve is far less steep, especially when compared to something like Salesforce, which can often require a dedicated training session. The setup is quick, and you don't have to be a tech expert to hit the ground running, making it ideal for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. Now, let's talk about integrations. The fourth thing that stands out is that Comet Rocks integrates seamlessly with a wide range of other apps. If you're already using popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, or even accounting software like QuickBooks, Comet Rocks has you covered. This integration capability ensures that you don't have to worry about switching between applications or exporting and importing data manually. It works with the tools you're already using, which is a huge time saver. The fifth thing to consider is automation. One of the most attractive features of Comet Rocks is its automation capabilities. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks like sending out emails or creating follow-up reminders, freeing up your time to focus on more important aspects of your business. This level of automation is particularly valuable when compared to competitors who may require additional third-party integrations to offer similar functionality. For example, while tools like Trello are fantastic for managing tasks, they lack the deep automation features that Comet Rocks brings to the table. Then there's the customer support. Comet Rocks offers 24/7 support with a dedicated team available to help you with any questions or technical issues you might encounter. This is something that many users find lacking in other platforms. The quality of customer service can make or break your experience, especially if you're using the software for mission-critical tasks. Comet Rocks excels here, with quick response times and knowledgeable staff who are genuinely invested in helping you succeed. The seventh thing you need to know is pricing. Comet Rocks offers a competitive pricing structure that's flexible depending on your business size and needs. It's a solid alternative to pricier tools like Monday.com, which can become costly if you have a large team or need advanced features. Comet Rocks ensures you get value for your money with a range of plans that cater to different budgets and business sizes, making it a great choice for growing companies. If you've made it this far, you might be wondering how you can get started with Comet Rocks. Well, if you want to try it for yourself and see how it fits your business, click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial offer available, along with some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't wait. Start optimizing your business today with Comet Rocks.